So today we have Mahdi Hurreh here, who is a student who has gone through our Seeds of Change program, both the first year and second year in Costa Rica. And I've asked Mahdi to just sit down and explain to us how the Seeds of Change program helped in any way with what's happened to him since he left high school and is now at the University of Minnesota.
Yeah, hi everybody. If I were to start, it's been a long way since I've graduated high school. I'm currently graduating with my degree in biochemistry with minor in computer science. My life aspirations are hopefully to become an MD, PhD, and that involves quite a chunk of research. And that kind of all started for me with like Seeds of Change. Was my first research experience or exposure, you could say. And with it, it was a lot about the human microbiome and computational biology. And with what I learned about that, with the tools we use, such as IMG or IMJ, I believe, I kind of took those tools and started just asking around the university community and trying to see which labs would be interested in those tools. And I stumbled upon a very interesting lab. It's called the Visible Heart Lab. They do transitional system physiology research. And computational biology is actually one of the things that they were looking for somebody to do because they had this very large virtual reality project that they needed someone to help on. They only had one graduate student at the time that could do any of the work related to that. And I guess Seeds of Change was kind of what led me to that, because after experiencing what computational biology was like, I got a bit more interested, pursued a bit more, and it led me to declaring actually my computer science minor. And with that, I learned a few coding languages, and then that made me a valuable asset to the Visible Heart Lab. I was able to help the graduate student at the time. Currently, he's got his PhD and whatnot, but at the time we were able to build a virtual reality project where you can take a CT scan of a heart and actually animate that into virtual reality, and then you could have multiple users on the same interface interacting with the same heart. And it's not like it's a fake heart, it's an actual heart that there was a CT scan of. So it was very useful as an educational tool and as a research tool. And after that, I kind of took those interests a bit further. Since I do want to be involved with healthcare, I did some clinical research, whatnot, and currently I'm going to be graduating this spring and then moving out to Boston, hopefully to work as a research assistant at Harvard. And yeah, I'd say it was almost a domino effect. Seeds of Change is kind of where it started for me, and I was really appreciative for that opportunity.
Okay, well, thank you, Mahdi.